everyone. Today we are going to learn a very interesting chapter, data handling. We will learn how to collect information, organize it and show it using tally marks, pictographs and bar graphs. So let's see what data means. Data means information that we collect. For example, when we collect the information about our favorite fruits, games or number of pets, when we collect answer from many people, that become data. Now we will collect the data from 8 students. We ask them their favorite fruit. Now we have raw data, but this look messy. Let's organize it. So first let's see what is tally mark. To count easily, we use tally marks. We have collected information about the favorite fruit that we got apple 6, mango 2 and banana 1. So now I will show how to draw tally marks. We draw one line for each item. Okay, so let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 lines, we draw a slant line to make 5. So 5 and 6. Okay. So after 4 lines, you have to make a slant line to make 5. This helps us count quickly. Okay. So now let's make for mango 1 and 2. For banana 1. Now let's do one example on tally mark. Observe the table and answer the following. Here the food item and tally marks are given. You have to find the numbers of burger, pizza, fried chicken and hot dog. So let's count. So see first burger 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and one slanting line means it will be 5. Right? 5. Then again 5, 10. Then again here is slanting line 15 and 15 plus 1, 16. So we can write 16. Pizza, this will be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 4. So 24. This is 5, 10 and plus 2. 12. Okay. 12. And here 5 plus 3, 8. Now we can solve the problems. First question is how many burgers were sold? So how many burgers were sold? 16. So we can write answer 16. Which item was sold the most? So which item was sold the most? Check here. Pizza. We can say pizza was sold the most. So we can write answer as pizza. Okay. Third, how many more fried chickens were sold than the hot dogs? So check. Fried chickens are 12. So 12 and hot dogs are 8. So what you have to write? How many more fried chickens were sold than the hot dog? So we write 12 minus 8. So that we are getting 4. So 4 more fried chickens were sold than the hot dogs. How many items were sold in all? So total how many items were sold in all? Check. 16 plus 24. That is 40. 40 plus 12 is 52. 52 plus 8 is 60. So total 60 items were sold in all. Have you understood? So this is the way to find the question answers for tally marks. So our next point is pictograph. What is pictograph? A pictograph uses picture to show data. Here one apple picture means one student. Count the picture and tell me which fruit is most like. So first we will check how many students are there. See for apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students. Okay. For banana 2 students and mango 1 student. So which fruit is most like? We can say apple is most liked by the students. The next is bar graph. What is bar graph? Bar graph uses bar to show numbers. The taller the bar, the bigger the number. Look at the red bar. It is the tallest. Let's solve some questions so you will understand it in correct way. So first, how many students like the red color? So let's say red color is here. So how many students like 50? So we can write 50 students. Second question, how many students like yellow and blue? So yellow is 20 and blue will be 25. So total will be 45. Third question, how many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? Total number of students, see, 50 students are there in the class. So total 50 students are there. How many students like green, orange and black? So green is 10, orange 30 and black is 40. So 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 40 is 80. So 80 students are like green, orange and black. Now it's your turn. You have to ask your family their favorite ice cream flavor. Make a tally mark and draw a bar graph. Become a data champion. Today we learn how to collect data, organize it using tally mark and show it using pictograph and bar graph. Practice daily and become a math star. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friend and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.